Nutbush Campground. We are in North Carolina. We're just a tad north of Raleigh, in a town called Henderson. We are at Kerr Lake. Been here many times before. It's one of our favorites. We are in spot number 70. Let's take a look at it. Alright, we're just here by ourselves for the night. We are going to make a little chili. We are going to test out this pizza oven. We're going to make a little cornbread. We're going to hang out, do a little fishing. Check it out. How y'all doing? Hanging on the side of a lake. Getting a little breezy out here. Fixing to make some chili for dinner. I got this shirt on. Don't know if y'all can tell I got a secret ingredient in the chili tonight. So let's take a peek at what's going on. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make a little cornbread. So let's check out how we're going to do it. If I'm honest, I just got a packet. Pick these up at the store. It's super easy. Damn 3/4 cup water. I'm just going to get that tossed in a little bit. Avocado oil up this pan a little bit. You gotta toss her in there. Alright, just like that. Alright, what we got right over here behind me is a pizza oven. She is set up to about 400 degrees. Let's see where we're at. Oh, we're at 600 right now. We're going to drop that down a little bit. So because this is a pizza oven, the bottom is super hot. That's why I'm doing a cast iron skillet like this. It's going to take a long time for the heat to penetrate this while we're browning the top. So it should come together right around the same time. So let's pop it in there. Let's see what's going on. Whilst we are doing that, let's get this out of the way. We are looking at ingredients for chili. Got a couple of ribeyes, some vegetables, tomato, jalapeno, green pepper, some garlic. There is an onion. I am going to use a can of V8 spicy. I kind of like blend rubs. I like this one called Billy Bub's Texas Rub. It is going to be chili powder. It's got cumin in it. It's got garlic in it. It's got pretty much everything I was going to use to make a chili anyway. So we're just going to carry that one along with us. First thing we're going to do is get a little spray on this pan. We are going to start these steaks out with just a little bit of Billy Bub to get them kind of some flavor on them. Here's what we're looking at for steaks. A couple of ribeyes. Now, I think it is better to cook a steak and then cut it up. I think you're going to get a better product. I think the juices transfer a whole lot better, things like that, than if you cut up a steak first and then cook it. So, like I said, we just got a little bub rub on there. We got the cast iron. We're going to go ahead and throw it on there. A little extra spice on that one. All right, been a few minutes. Working on the steaks. Let's check this cornbread really fast. Starting out pretty nice. A little brown around the edges. Oven is sitting at about 550 right now. All right, meat out of the pot. Nice and charred up a little bit, not too crazy. We're gonna let it cool. We are gonna let it rest just a second so all the juices don't come out. Put the meat back in. These veggies in there. Billy Bob Texas rub. Like I said, all the ingredients. Garlic. It's got cumin in it already. It's got chili powder, all that stuff. So that is what we're going to use for our chili powder. We're going to go and throw it in there heavy. Get that bad boy all stirred in. Let's take a look at our cornbread real fast. Oh man, that looks like cornbread to me. Looking brown, edges looking good. Slide back in there. I am gonna shut that burner off. We're just gonna wait for this chili. Need a little more tomatoey, need some juice in it. Stuff like this going on in the woods, I use the easy stuff. We're gonna go with this this V8 right here. Let her simmer. All right, once we're starting to settle in and I have my vegetables softened where I want them, things like that. This is masa flour. This is actually instant tortilla maseca. I give it a sprinkle of that. This is going to bring together all the thickness. It's actually going to kick in a little bit of that corn flavor. Add a little character to it. But mostly it's just going to thicken up the salsa a little bit and help it cling. All right, so let's pop this cornbread. See if we don't burn ourselves. Pulling this bad boy out. All right. Oh, we broke it. It's all right, we're winging it in the woods. Everything looks good. It's real flaky. The bottom is golden brown, lightly brown on the top. Mmm. It's all good. Mmm. Alright. Now, we got cornbread. We got most of the chili going here. Controversy. I grew up in Texas. I ate beans in chili probably as much as I didn't eat beans in chili. If I'm honest, we probably ate rice with our chili the most. Maybe some corn chips. I'm not sure. But I'm adding black beans. Just a touch. It'll be okay. All right, now, so we're starting to get real thick, and this comes the part where I wore this shirt for y'all, because I got a secret ingredient. Chocolate chili. How am I gonna do that? Yingling Hershey's chocolate. We're going to add just enough to give us some flavor, thin this back out a little bit, and it's going to be good. Let's check it out. All right, look, if you're here this long, I appreciate y'all.